I just took a shower, y'all. Look, my hair wet. It dries like this. I did have some hair that fell down into my eyes, and I just got that right out of my eyes. I'm not going to wash the gray right out of my hair, but I did take care of those aggravating little pieces that were getting in my eyeballs. I do have a thing right here. Joshua, if you're looking or watching this video, please close your eyes, because you know you don't like to see these on my face. So just don't look. I am sewing. What? I know. It's really a thing that I need to slow down on, and it's getting ready to happen because my body is already hurting, and I haven't even been sitting here about 3 minutes max. I'm sipping on a iced coffee, Frugal Frappe, coffee that has been brewed and in my fridge overnight with a little French vanilla creamer in it. And just a drop of rum extract to give it a little flavor. Yeah, but that's what's happening. I'm trying, y'all. It's been a struggle. My health is giving me some serious grief, but I finally sat back down in the chair, and I need a pillow behind my back because I'm really hurting. Send me prayers. I love everyone. Jesus loves you. And I got some beautiful zebra socks in the mail. Ooh, yes I did. Mimi Cat Do, thank you, darling. I got some zebra socks. I'm wearing them right now, or I'd show you. Yes, I put them on right after I got out of the shower because my feet were cold, and I love them. Oh my word. Okay. Don't look at my hairy legs. Look at my beautiful socks. I love them. I love them. Don't look at the thread in the floor. I don't even know if you even saw anything because I just dropped the camera down and went, okay, don't look at my hairy legs. I just am so excited. I got my homemade hand knit labor of love socks from my sweet Mimi Cat Do. You guys go check her out. She is amazing bomb. She reads, and I love her voice. It's such a beautiful, comforting voice. So go check out Mimi Cat Do. Giving a little shout out for that beautiful girl. 4 minutes, guys. I've already lost half of you. So I'm going to get off of here. Jesus loves you. I'm his favorite. Well, we are his favorite, but this has been my favorite birthday ever because I've gotten so many wonderful, wonderful birthday blessings, birthday cards, birthday fresh farm eggs. I'm telling you, it has been. I got a zebra in the mail from my sister Lovella, who loves me, and sent me a zebra. Well, I'm a zebra, you know. If you don't know, watch some of my earlier vlogs and videos. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, guys. I got to get off of here. I have to. I've got to see if I can find a pillow for my back and start doing some more sewing. Not a lot. Don't panic. I'm not going to sit here for 5 hours. Promise. Bye.